you might be sounding junior at work without realizing it. It's actually a very, very simple thing that people miss. You keep talking about what you did. I sent this mail, I finished that ticket, I attended that meeting. But that's where it starts sounding junior. Because senior people don't just talk about what they did, they connect it to the business. So instead of saying I completed an AI training, I can now use AI to automate some of our repetitive work. Similarly, instead of saying, I finished the customer analysis, you can say, I found the reason why we are losing customers. Same work and very different level of thinking.